Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Luis. How are you today?
Hi, Francesca. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. I'm wanted to ask you about your daily routine. What do you usually do every day?
Well, I usually make up at 7 at no a.m. Then take a shower and have breakfast. I also study English in the morning, but I don't cook or play basketball.
Oh, interesting. What time do you have breakfast?
Um, uh, Usually have breakfast at 7 a.m. And when do you study English? I study English from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Cool. And what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually do my homework and watch TV. I don't go to the gym or play video games.
Oh, I see. What time do you work homework?
I do my homework at 3 p.m. and I watch TV at 5 p.m. Now tell me about you, Francesca. What's your daily routine?
Well, I usually wake up the 6:30 a.m. Then I go for a walk to breakfast. I also read a book in the morning, but I don't play football or cook.
Thanks, nice. What time do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk at 7 a.m. And what time do you read your book? I usually read from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m.
And what do you in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually listen to music and do my homework. I don't watch TV or sleep.
Great. What time do you listen to music?
I listen to music at 2 p.m. and I do my homework at 3 p.m.
Wow, Francesca, you are very organized.
Thanks, Luis, and you too. It's nice to know about your daily routine.
Yes, my bad. We can study English together in the morning so time.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Yep.